Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we're focused on the 5th Gen Dodge Cummins. More specifically, you guys that want to run a fast bracket and want a billet mounting solution. We have just that for you guys today. Now behind me, we already have an installation done of our billet fast bracket. You can check out that video here. Now if you're shopping with us, or you're going to shop with us, you need a little bit of information about your truck, because we're going to ask you, you want to make for sure you get the right billet fast bracket. Yes, there are two different types of frame, but behind me, this is the frame we refer to as the non-cargo frame. Tyson, how do I know this? Well, this is how you know it. Go out to your truck, go to the passenger door, look down. All you see is carpet, perfect. That means that you have the non-cargo frame, and this billet fast bracket is the one for you. But today, I'm talking about the odd ducks, the elephant in the room, the cargo frame guys. It's the same scenario. When you go to the website, you see cargo frame. How do I know? Go out to your truck, open up the back passenger door, look down. I see a box. That's right, when I ordered this truck, I ordered a box in the floor. That's the cargo frame trucks. Guess what? Today on the channel, we're going to show you how to install our billet fast bracket on the cargo frame trucks. 5th Gen Ram owners. We've identified on our 5th Gen Dodge Cummins, it has the cargo frame. Therefore, we need our billet fast bracket for that type of frame. Now, if you're shopping with us and you're looking at the billet fast bracket, you're going to see a tab. It says this: have you watched today's installation video? Why do we do that? It's because of this. This is a custom piece we manufacture here in-house. Take a closer look at it. It's made from 6061 billet aluminum. It comes in black anodized or raw, so therefore you can powder coat it. If you cut that brown box with the Point Blank Performance tape, that is now your custom piece for your 5th Gen Dodge Cummins. Now, if you are a Ram owner and you're shopping with us, you'll see that we offer two types of kits, two fuel systems, our Stage 1 and our Stage 2. Both of them, no less. They're all equal. Have the same billet parts that we offer. The only difference is this: one's more power, you need bigger hose, bigger fittings to get the job done. But they both include this, starting at the tank: our sump, our billet fast bracket, a fast fuel system, the hose, 1/2 inch or 5/8, then a fuel filter delete. I even ask you, what size is your CP3 pump? On the table is my game plan. We're almost ready to install this thing. We've got our fittings, we've got our billet fast bracket for the cargo frame. We have our special billet 6061 hose clamp for the 5/8 hose and for the 1/2 inch hose. You jump on the website, we got a bunch of colors on there just for you. We've got our hardware pack. Take a look. Hardware pack for the fast bracket to go on the fast fuel system. 2 bolts for the frame. Yes, 1 bolt will be used in the frame. The other one, you will have to drill 1 hole in your frame to mount this. Over here, we got our fast fuel system, a 165 gallon per hour, and we have black hose. Why? Because it's a little bit sleeker of an install when we get done. Down to business. How hard is it to put this billet bracket onto this fast? It's that hard. Drop 3 bolts in there and the job is done. We're ready to install it, but not just yet. The actual step 1 of this entire install is this: because you build around the fast fuel pump, we got to put this bracket on the truck and then drill 1 and only 1 hole. Now guys, I can't give you my hands, but I can give you my knowledge. Let's jump underneath Ron's truck. Let's see where I am along that build. That way, you have the confidence when installing our billet fast bracket around the cargo frame. We're underneath our 5th Gen Dodge Cummins, and we're looking at where we mounted our fast bracket. Underneath our back seat, you're gonna see there is a factory rivet here. Go down closer towards the fuel tank. You will see another factory rivet. We utilize that. We put a bolt through it. On the other end, there's not a rivet. We're going to take this fast system down. We're going to show you where you have to drill out your frame and put a rib nut so you can successfully mount your fast bracket and it doesn't fall off. So we're about to take our fast bracket down to see where we drilled out our rib nuts. First, we're going to grab our M6 wrench We're gonna take out our 2 Allen head bolts, and then we're gonna bring this thing down to see the location of where we need to drill our hole. Now we're ready to mount your billet fass bracket to the frame. We've got 1 hole to drill. Step 1, find the factory rib nut, the one I'm pointing at here, the first one in front of your fuel tank. Take 1 of 2 of your Allen head bolts. Go ahead and secure the fass bracket to the frame. Get it cinched down all the way. Cinch it all the way to the frame. Now, once it's cinched all the way up, you need to do this. Put a level underneath the fass bracket. Make for sure you've got it level. Ready for step 2. Take your hole punch, put it through the left side of the frame. This is where you're going to mark your hole to drill out. Take a hammer, boom, hit it on top. Once you've hit it on top, you can now remove this billet fass bracket and we're ready to drill out the hole in the frame. So now you're ready to take your billet fass bracket off the truck. You've marked where you're going to drill your hole. Let's get this one down. We're going to show you for reference our already drilled rib nut. You'll see the location here. Once you set the rib nut, confirm, put the fass bracket back on, put a bolt through each side. Make for sure, cinch up both bolts on each side. Now you're ready to attach your billet fass bracket to the fast fuel system. Now that you have verified your billet fass bracket will attach to your frame, we're ready to get it on our fast fuel pump. Enter our hardware kit. Take the 3 Allen head bolts, attach them through the fass bracket, torque them down, don't try to break them off, but get them tight. Before you actually mount this to the frame, I want you to do this. Leave the fitting to the engine port off. Why? Because you will not be able to get the mounting bolt that goes through here onto the frame. But after you put it on the frame, in your supplied stage 1 or stage 2 kit, now you're ready to put everything together and finish out that install. Hell yeah, we're done, boys. Guys, make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If today's video, if we left anything out, or if there's another install you guys want more information on, jump in the comments. Why? Because, hey, we all need knowledge. Maybe I left something out that is crucial to the next guy building with us. Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time here at Point Blank Performance.